Creating a Google Business profile is essential for promoting your business online. Here's how to set it up. Sign into Google. Log into your Google account. Go to Google Business. Visit the Google Business website. Click on Manage Now to start the process. Enter business name. Type the name of your business in the provided field and click Next. Choose business category. Select the category that best describes your business. Click Next. Add business location. You'll be asked if you want to add a physical location. If your business has a storefront or office, click Yes and add your address. If not, click No. Add contact information. Enter your business phone number and website URL. If you don't have a website, you can use a Google provided website. Verify your business. Google will ask you to verify your business. You can verify via mail, phone, or email depending on your business type. Complete your profile. Add more details like business hours, photos, and descriptions to enhance your profile.